Hello everyone, myself Mohan from Target Software. Today in this video I'm going to show how to close the account books and transfer to the next year. As you people know, the financial year starts from April to March, and every March you people have to close the account books and start billing from April 1st as a new transactional year. The bill starts from bill number 1. So to do this closing books procedure, you people have to take follow the some procedures for a safer side. First thing, you people have to take a backup. I will guide you step by step what are the procedures to be done. Please follow it. See, first thing, you people have to take the backup. On the desktop you will find a shortcut. Usually you people will be using this. I hope the target will be there. Above that there will be a shortcut called target BKP. If BKP is not there, what you people can do is just right click on the target shortcut and click on the open file location. If you click on the open file location, the screen will appear. Here, the next to that exe file, you can find this target BKP. Or else here also you are not able to find out, means there is a search button over here. You can type that file name like target BKP, then enter. It will show this file. From here you can click on that and right click on it. Just send it to desktop create shortcut. That shortcut will come on the desktop. Now what you have to do is just double click on this. You have to take a backup by clicking this thing, data backup, this one, then click OK. By clicking this data backup button, it will take a backup like this and it will show the backup taken successfully. Then click OK. If you are using multiple companies, then if you have to click on this backup company name, you will find the another company name also. That also you can select there and click on data backup, so that both the data backup has happened. So sometimes if you people if you people get a message called like unable to take a backup, or the procedure what it will show now that some back screen appear, and when that screen won't appear directly, it will show only backup taken successfully, that's it. So in that time it means the backup is not happening. For that, what you have to do is one application will be this called 7-zip. That software is maybe that application may not be installed in your system, so that is the reason it may be happen like that. What you have to do is you have to install that 7-zip software. So just same thing, like right click on the target shortcut, click on the open file location, and in that same screen you will find 7Z setup. Okay, you have to just click on this and click yes if it has for a permission, and click on install and click on finish. Again, if you are not able to find out that this thing 7-zip setup file, here you can type it 7Z ACT or something. You can find here. By clicking on this, you can install it, install and finish it. So like this, you people have to take a backup. If you want to recheck whether the backup is happened or not, you can go for your directory. Here only it will show the path. And now in mine is in C drive, there is a zip file has been recorded in the C drive. If you want, I can check it in that particular path. So next part I will explain what are the things to be done to close the account books. Go to target shortcut, open the target software. See, backup should be done before doing this, that is mandatory. And main thing is, if you people are using multi-users like 1+2 computers or 3 computers, you have to exit from the client system, then only you have to take a backup from in the server. Later on the next procedure what I do, all the procedures should be done in the server itself. Okay, and it should be done from the super user password. In our software you can create a multi users So for users, you can give a rights, like he can do only billing, he can do only purchase entry, like that. So in a super user, there will be permission to account book closing and whatever the things to be done, like purchase entry, sales entry, whatever the things that can be done in super user password. So let's go forward. Let's go to the target, just enter. Here it will show this company, which company you want to close the account books. You can select that one. Now I'm selecting the demo company 1. Just click on this. My username is Excel, password is also Excel, and signature also Excel. Whichever the super user password is there, by using that password only you have to log in. Then go to the main menu. This is the main screen will appear after logging. Just in this, go to the options. There you have to select system utilities. If you go to the system utilities, this kind of error, if it appears, for few people this message may appear because of a direct close from the client system, or from here also, maybe while working the system may get off instead of exit from the target. So that time this message will appear. Sometimes so according to my this thing, it is showing one time we are exit directly close the software. So if you have closed more than 2 to 3 times, it will show 1 2 3 like number of tokens, it will give a message to you. So to clear this, what you have to do is press F3 here and type your password, then enter, select it as yes, then again re-enter. There you will find 4 options. So for few people, directly when you select the system utilities, this 4 options will appear. So now after clearing this, we have to select the rebuild index. In that, there is an option called all masters. Select the all masters and press yes. So it will start reading. It will show all the masters like done. If anything any in front of any masters, if you found something like a red in the red mark, like 1 or 2 3 numbers may appear. If it is appearing, then please don't continue the account book closing procedure, because the data is corrupted. You people have to contact our technical team. What I mentioned, we are this one architect technical team, and I think you people will be knowing the technical support for contact numbers. So call them, take a support, get rectified the errors, then continue the procedure. See, now who are all got the same, like done, everything is done, then you can continue with this. Now press enter. After this, the next part is overall maintaining the product stocks. Those people have to verify their product stocks first before closing the account books. You people have to verify your product stocks. Go to options, verify product stocks, select all manufacturer, all group, and all product, enter. Let it verify and finish it off. It may take time according to your number of products, whatever this thing. So in mine, the product master posted, press any key. This one is finished. The first part is you have to take a backup. Second part, you have to do the verify this one system utilities. Third one is verify product stock. After this, you have to go to the setup screen, setup column, then select the accounting system menu. In that, overall maintaining the accounting accounting features, like maintaining the party balances and payment receipts, expenditures, all kind of accounts. Overall maintaining, those people have to verify their accounts before closing an account. So in the company column, you will find a rewrite account books. Here, if you enter the rewrite account books, there you have to select the rewrite account books again, then enter to proceed. If you find anything like some users have login, same what we found in reindex option, no system utilities, like that. If you found, means press F3 and clear it. F3 and type your password and clear that. Then select the rewrite account books. Let it will take little time according to your transaction and number of account ledgers. Okay. After this enter. So in the same screen itself, same column, there is an option called close account books. So totally 4 procedures to be followed before closing this account books. Now what you have to do is go to the close account books, then enter. There you will find 2 options like close about closing and close books. Okay, there you have to select close book. The next option is transfer account closing balances. It is asking whether if you people are maintaining the party balances like credits, receivables, payables, and expenditures and all. If you people want to require this transfer balance, closing balance to be transferred to the next year, then you people have to select yes. If you people don't want to try, if you people are not maintaining any accounts and all, you can select it as no. Directly it will go to the next option. So now I'm selecting yes. There it will ask whether it is to be transferred consolidated outstanding and as bill wise outstanding. What the meaning is, consolidated means, for example, XYZ, for example Mohan, for him you people have made 3 bills. With that, on the 3 bills, the total outstanding will, for each bill will be 2000 something, totally it will be 6000. So if you people require bill wise means you people have to select bill wise. Otherwise I just want to know, I just want to transfer the closing balance as a 6000 for Mohan. That's it means you can select as a consolidated outstanding. If you select account wise, bill wise outstanding, it will show all the whole 3 bills, bill number and date, and is the 2000 amount also. So 99% everyone should select this bill wise only to track your outstanding and bill numbers and number of days happen. So because in our software you can control the number of days. For example, if it is more than 20 days or 15 days, more than 100 days, bill should not happen. That kind of features are there in our software. So for first few people, more than 100 days next bill should not happen, and more than 10,000 bill next bill should not happen. Like that, many features are there in our software that we can find in some other video. I will try to explain in those things. As of now, you have to select the bill wise outstanding. On that next part, it will ask whether you people want to transfer the closing stocks. Closing stocks means what are the current stocks you are having in a computer. It has to be let it to transfer to the next year means you have to select the closing stock. If you want to the current year, you may not have the proper current stock maintenance. You people may think next year I will take all opening balance and will enter as a opening stock. So then you can select as a without stock. If you are not maintaining a stock, directly you can select this feature without stock. If you are maintaining a stock, still if you want to enter newly in the next year means you can select the without stock only. And if people who require the closing stock, you can select the transfer closing stock and enter it. If you select this feature, whatever the stock in the current year left out, all the current stocks will be transferred to the next year. So I'm selecting a transfer closing stock. Then the next part is transfer GRN wise stocks for the product maintained batch wise. Yeah, give it as who are maintaining the batch wise or not batch. If you are not even maintaining a batch wise also, no issues, give it as yes. And the next option is close book and account of transfer to the next year. Then select yes. It will show no. You have to press Y and select yes. The next screen will appear reconfirmation. For the reconfirmation, if anybody by mistakenly press the transfer closing balance, if you may not be required that option. That time this is the last option to go back. So if not required, then select yes over here again. By pressing Y, you can enter it. Then account book starts. The procedure, closing procedure will start. So again the same. It takes the time according to your transactions and all. What are the ledgers, number of ledgers you are maintaining. So mine, it will take 1 minute approx, I think. Yeah, see, it is finished. Now it is asking whether to be verify the stock or not required. Whatever the stock transfer to the next year, you want to if you want to verify means you can press F3. Once it will verify. Overall, gave an option called transfer closing balance. Those people can press F3. If not required, you can escape. By pressing escape, that screen will disappear. Now I pressed F3, so it is verified once. Now account book closed for year 21-22 and balance transfer to the 22-23. Then enter. This account books closed, done. Press any key. Now enter. That's it. Log off complete. Have a nice day. So this is the procedure you can follow to the close account books. Now if I open this software again, if I select the company number 1, username Excel. For the month of April 1st, it will allow you to log in directly. Now all the bills will starts from bill number 1. If any of your if any people don't want to continue from the if you don't want to start from bill number 1, few people will say no, we will continue from the last bill number. You people can do that. For example, if you was done for 1500 was the last year number, you can start with 1501 first bill. If you made, automatically the next bill starts from 1502, 503, 504, like that. So you can start your billing, continue with your billing. So these are the basic things to, procedures to be followed, and these are the things to be maintained to close the account books. After closing an account books, you can log into the current year and do the transaction. If another one more company what you are having, if you multiple companies who are maintaining, those people also can follow the same procedure for the second company. Then what will happen, your next company, when you log into the if you try to take a backup, here the year will get changed. Earlier it was 21-22, now it is 22-23. So the procedure of backup, every day you people have to take a backup because of fluctuation, system may get corrupt or something. You people have to take a backup safely. Along with this, you people have to take a backup in your pen drive also, or you can send it to your mail ID also. That will be safer side. So take a backup by pressing the data backup. Okay, and if you want to take up whatever the data you have taken, that data will be stored in the drive, whichever the drive the software is installed. In that data 01 you can find it, the first file itself. Like today it is a Monday, so it has selected as a MO, and 01 means the company number 1, 22-23, that is the financial year. If you want to store this file into your backup pen drive or in your to mail, you can use this file by right clicking on this. Select the option send it to, and select your pen drive. That pen drive, if it is showing here, you can click on the pen drive, directly it will store to your pen drive, and the same file you can attach to your mail ID, and you can send it to your mail. Hardly it takes 1 minute to 1 or 2 minutes to send to your mail ID. It will be safer side. So something goes wrong also, your data will be safe, because software we can install and give it to you, but data we can't. And whatever the data you do, some people will ask, say, whatever the data we do, that won't be stored in your system. No, 100% we won't access any customer's data, and we won't store anybody's data. So it is totally offline. Whatever the data you do, everything will be stored in your computer, and whatever the data, whatever the transaction will happen, that everything will be stored in your computer itself. So the data, every day you should take a backup before closing the target. Please make sure every day you people are taking a backup and storing in your external hard disk or somewhere in pen drive or in mail. So this is the procedure to close the account books from current year to next year. I hope you people got what exactly procedure. So if you people feel anything difficult by doing this procedure, by seeing this video, please contact our technical support team. We will help you in all the way. So through online or through offline, that is not an issue. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.